Hi, here's another video. I've got this Kingsong S22 electric unicycle. The suspension bearings are damaged. I'm going to be having a look at that today. It's the unit here, and here's the wheel for it. Obviously it's been dismantled, not by myself, but you can see amongst all the mud, these bearings here, the tires on some of them, there you can see have come off or loose. These are the tires for the wheel bearings. And let me show you this side here. You see the same thing. Not all of them, but some of them, tires are loose, and this one's come off completely. And I've got it down here. It fits on here like so. The bearings themselves are right. It's just the nylon tires that come off, as you can see there. That one's dislodged as well. So I'm going to be having a look at that today. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is give the unit a clean, get rid of all this mud, first and foremost, so I can see what I'm working with. You can see I'm just giving it a jet blast, get rid of all the mud from the unit here, just clean both sides. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just checking for which bearings are damaged, and I'm just going to put a black mark next to it so I know which ones to replace. The owner supplied a set of bearings. So let's get close up here. All you got to do is pop this circlip off. Let me get closer. There's a circlip here. Just got to pop it off. I usually keep my thumb on the unit, on the bearing, because if it pops off, it'll disappear. Inside or out, it'll disappear into oblivion. So you can see I've just removed the circlip. Let me just show you what it looks like. That's the clip there, and it's just a matter of sliding the old bearing off and fitting the new one. And once you've done that, just pop the circlip back on. It clips into a little recess, and then just like I said, I like to keep my thumb on it because if it flies off, it'll disappear. You can see me just pressing the circlip back on. I'm just put my thumb over that, like so. I'm just going to replace this one as well, but I'll do this lively. I've got about 8 to replace in total on both sides. Like I said, not all of them are gone, so I'll just speed this section up, so just slow the video down, make the video shorter. Okay, now that I've got them all done, all the ones that need replacing, one spare. So what I'll do is just get this wheel off here and introduce the main body of the unicycle. Now the bearings slide on these shafts here, as you can see here, and they get a lot of dirt inside. I'm sure these are supposed to be greased, but I'm going to grease them. You see there, that's where the bearings slide along this track here. There's 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use some white vinegar just to clean these, just clean them out, clean out the shaft where the bearings run along. Just going to use some white vinegar and a bit of cloth just to get rid of whatever dirt is in there. And I've got to do this for all 4 rails. Just get this bit of cloth in, give it a good clean. And like I said, I've got to do all 4 because there's 4 rails. And just clean the outside. Now that that's done, I'm just going to put some grease inside there because it was completely, there was nothing in there whatsoever. This should make it run even smoother. And obviously I'm going to be putting grease in all 4 rails. That's the left side. And just run a bit of grease along the edge. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let's get a close up here. You can see inside these rails here, I've just filled them with grease, which, like I said, will hopefully assist with the running. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So let me just show you here. I've completely finished now, and that's the new bearings fit, as you can see. But I'm not going to fit the whole unit together. That's the main body of the unit. I'm not going to be the one putting it together. However, this is what it looks like completed. So this is the unit fully assembled. Just going to give it a test. Not me, that's the actual rider. And it seems to be okay. You satisfied with it? Okay, that pretty much concludes. Seems to be working fine, apparently. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.